Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you can hear me, but it's not hot outside. It's actually fucking cold. And I decided, hey, since it's cold, why not do another car vacuuming video? Because last time it was so hot and it was so sunny. Oh, this time I can sit in the car and vacuum it out. So I brought the vacuum, and it has this little cool thing on the back for the crevice tool, so I brought that as well. Oh, it's fucking cold. My feet are so cold. Okay, but yeah, it usually gets really cold at night because back there and all around it's water. So I guess that's why it gets cold. But okay, anyways. Oh, I thought it was like a crack or something, but apparently that's a sticker. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, anyways. So let's go ahead and get started. So I turned on the flash, and this should be charged up. I charged it like, I don't know, maybe for 2 hours after it died from the last test. So I'm gonna go ahead and start vacuuming. So hard. I don't see how people like do this without the car vacuuming one that you get from the gas station. Oh shit, my bad. Alright, let's trade. Okay, yeah, that's enough of the back seat. Never back here, a fucking course. So that was like a lot of hard work. Let's take this off if I freaking can with one hand. Ugh. Good grief, Biss. What do you think? People just gonna steal the fucking crevice tool? Let's see if it gets to skittle. Okay, now let's move to the front. Oh, let me turn these lights off. Okay. I'm not gonna rest. Okay. Let's move to the front before it starts raining. Move, bug. You weren't there until I got here first. Jesus. Freaking Christ. Okay. Y'all, this video is like all out of sorts. Sorry. But, okay. It's cold still. Door open. Okay, y'all, so it's so cold. I really don't feel like doing this, to be honest. I'm moving my seat back so I can like The lights are on because my door is open. This is so hard, but people love these car videos for some reason. So I'm trying again, but if no one likes this one either, then I'm just gonna quit making car videos. The only car videos I'll make are the ones that go on my vlog. Okay, I'm putting the crevice tool in. I'm sorry, people are probably watching me, but they don't pay me. YouTube doesn't either, but you get the point. Okay, here we go. I wonder if I turn the crevice tool the other way, will it be easier to like get dirt? Like if I turned it this way, would it be easier to like get in a crack and get the dirt? Let's see. I think the suction makes it harder. Yeah, the suction made it harder this time. I'm a weak bitch. Okay, here we go. Oh shit. Look at all of that. Shook. I kind of want to go to the other side and vacuum. I'm kind of too lazy for all of this car vacuuming. Like, I'm gonna leave that to the professionals. Like, vacuum test and vac lab and stuff, and holy fuck, it's about to rain. If it starts raining over here, hopefully there's still gonna be parking spots on the other side because it's closer to the building. But I wonder if my friend wants Mexican food tonight. No clue. Let's do some more right here since I'm sitting right here. I don't like my doors. I know no one around here is crazy, but I just don't want to be surprised because my friends are a bunch of assholes. And one of them might be like, I see that bitch. Let's go sneak up on her. And yeah, I don't want all of that to happen. My car is trying to tell me how to use my car. Oh, y'all missed it. It's trying to tell me how to use my car. It's like, press the brake and telling me to turn on the car. Like, I fucking know how to use you. Do you guys want a tour? Okay, so this is a wheel. Honestly, when I got my car, I was so, I want to say mad, but I was just like shook because I really wanted leather seats. That makes me sound like a bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. But this is a 2017 Nissan SV. If you guys see my earlier video of me trying to vacuum my car, I had a like 2012 Mercedes-Benz and I crashed it. So my parents got me this one, and yeah, it's my, I love this car. Like, I don't know, I like it. And I was really upset though because leather seats, they're so much easier to clean to me, and like it's harder to clean whatever material this is. It's really soft, and I really like how it's soft and how it doesn't fucking burn in the summertime. But at the same time, like I'm like really scared that it's something in the seat that I can't see. I don't like dirt that I can't see. And it's like, I don't know. I think you guys probably like this fucking bitch. I'm sorry, by the way, like if you guys don't curse or whatever. But anyways, yeah, it looks like this. Yes. But this car actually takes like a lot of work, and it wasn't used. It's just like, I don't know, it takes like a lot of gas. And so my brother and I are gonna switch cars when I get home. We're gonna switch because he has a 2017 Nissan Versa, yeah, and he says his is cheaper on gas. So your girl is cheap, so your girl's gonna take that deal. But yeah, oh, it has the radio and everything like that. I 10 out of 10 recommend you guys get this car if you want a new one. Yeah, also, I'm not a bitch. I don't know, because I don't know, like, I just don't want you guys to think I am. I'm not. But yeah, and it's a car tour. I think that's how these work. You know, you got the buttons and a bunch of stuff like that. And a lot of you guys live in different countries. I live in America. Why does everything I say sound so rude? I live in America. Don't worry, like, it's boring over here. In case you like, look at the weather, bro. This might look cute to y'all, but it's not. Oh, yeah. I'm changing this into a vlog, so let me vacuum a little bit more. that doesn't want to work. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I just know this is a vacuum channel. You guys probably don't want to hear me fucking talking, but yeah. And I don't know what else to talk about. Is that Ashton? No, that's not Ashton. Sorry, I have the attention span of a squirrel. I don't know what I was talking about, but anyways, yes, this is it. If you guys want a better car tour, I'll probably make a real one and put it on my actual vlog, because I have a vlog channel and it's not this one. Like, of fucking course it's not this one. But yeah, yeah guys, so this is me just trying to vacuum the car. Because this is the last time you'll see this baby. Yeah. I should probably do my friend's. She has one just like this, but hers is black. And most of the time now, we ride in hers. Because, of course, mine is in park closer to the building and hers is. So we mostly ride in hers now because we live in America and we're lazy. But yeah, guys, make sure you add me on Instagram. I post a lot of funny shit on there sometimes because bad shit happens to me. Okay, bad things. Because I don't want to get this video deleted for copyright, so let's not attempt to sing. But yeah, guys, bad things happen to me all the time, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and you most definitely will see them happen to me. Like, out of all these buildings on campus, guess whose power went out? Mine. Oh my god. Literally the only room on campus whose power was out was the girls. So that's what I mean by bad shit happens to me. Also, I got a new roommate, and I have 3 roommates, but it's like we all have our own room, but we share a living room, and I share my bathroom with one other girl, and then the 2 other girls share a bathroom. And the 4th roommate we got, it's a room in between us. She's the other girl's roommate. And y'all, no, you know what? Let me not, because I was about to spill some tea. But my phone is gonna die, and yeah, so I'm just gonna try to vacuum just a little bit more before it dies. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching this. Continue to watch it for a little bit more vacuuming. Hold on, I'll lock to my fucking self in. Continue to watch for a little more vacuuming if you would like to. Sorry, I don't want to hit that car. Okay, so here's some more. Adios, swivels. Also, not sure if I said this already, but just comment below if you want a full car tour. Bye.